Hello everyone, welcome to CKC LLP, a firm of cost and management accountants. The topic for today's video is an overview on goods and service tax, commonly known as GST. What is GST? GST is one indirect tax for the whole nation, which makes India one unified common market. The GST subsumed most of the indirect taxes under a single taxation system. GST is a single tax on the supply of goods and services right from the manufacturer to the consumer on the value determined under Section 15. Credits of input taxes paid at each stage of purchase of goods or services will be available in the subsequent stages of value addition, which makes GST essentially a tax only on value addition at each stage. The final consumer will thus bear only the GST charged by the last dealer in the supply chain, with set-off benefits at all the previous stages. Tax on the supply of petroleum crude, high-speed diesel, motor spirit, commonly known as petrol, natural gas, and aviation turbine fuel shall be levied with effect from such date as may be notified. GST is not applicable on the supply of alcoholic liquor for human consumption. GST has a dual model, since India is a federal country where both the centre and the states have been assigned the powers to levy and collect taxes through appropriate legislation. A dual GST system, therefore introduced, considering the constitutional requirement of fiscal federalism. Supply which is within the state is known as intra-state supply. Central GST. CGST is levied by central government for intra-state outward supply of taxable goods or services. State GST. SGST is levied by state government for intra-state outward supply of taxable goods or services. Supply which is outside the state is known as interstate supply. IGST. IGST is levied by central government for interstate outward supply of taxable goods or services. IGST has a share of both the central government and the state government. Taxes subsumed or not subsumed. Taxes to be subsumed. Central taxes or duties. Excise duty, NCCD, auto cess. Countervailing duty in lieu of excise duty. Special additional duty of customs, service tax, CST, surcharges and cesses relating to supply of goods and services, state taxes, VAT, entry tax or octroi, state cesses and surcharges relating to supply of goods and services, taxes not to be subsumed, central taxes or duties, basic custom duty, export duties, clean energy cess, state taxes, stamp duties, electricity duty, taxes on professions, trades, callings and employments. Now let's talk about the activities or transactions which are neither a supply of goods nor a supply of services. Services by an employee to the employer. Services of funeral, burial, crematorium or mortuary. Sale of land. Services by any court or tribunal. Actionable claims other than lottery, betting and gambling. The functions performed by the MPs, MLAs, etc. Thanks for watching the video.